Alright guys, so welcome back to today's video. I'm your boy Crypto Mechanic, and right guys, on this video we are gonna be talking about how we can be able to buy Telegram star using our Ton. All right, so Ton is the native token of Telegram, and right here guys, a lot of people find it very difficult to use their bank, that is their online banking app or whatever means of banking, to buy Telegram stars. All right, some people in some certain country are not able to do that, while some people find it very difficult to communicate with their bank in order for them to be able to connect to Telegram, and from there they can buy star. All right, so but on this video we are going to be making it very simple, because I'm going to be teaching you how you can use your Ton, which is the native token of Telegram, to buy Telegram stars right here. All right, so without wasting time, let me now show you guys how we can be able to do this in a very simple manner. All right, so the first thing that you have to do is simply go to your browser, and over here on your browser you type in fragment.com. so right now let's search for it. All right, and when the website opens, this is what you're going to be seeing. So you head straight to the point which is going over here that we have stars. So you click on star right here. So this is going to be taking you to the section where stars have been sold. So over here you have to click on connect Ton. All right, so when you click on connect Ton, you're going to be seeing several options. So in this case I'm using Ton Keeper, which is this one. If you're using your Telegram wallet, you can click on open wallet in Telegram, but I'm using Ton Keeper. That's why I'm going to be selecting Ton Keeper right now. So this is going to be opening up my Ton Keeper app, and they're going to be asking me to confirm the connection between this website, which is fragment.com, and my wallet, which is Ton Keeper. So right now I have to click on connect wallet, and I have to confirm it. Right now you can see the website is going to be connected real quick. All right, and right now, after connecting your wallet, right now what you have to do is very simple. So what you need to do from here is to simply, you can see right here that you are actually buying Telegram star. Over here you have to choose the recipient, and this recipient is the person that's going to be receiving the star. So if you are buying it to yourself, you have to use your own username on Telegram, but if you are buying for someone else, you can actually put the person's username right here. So what I need to do right now is simply, let's now proceed. When I click on more options, you are going to be seeing a lot of options that's going to be offering you ways that you can buy from several options depending on how much you have on your wallet or how much you are willing to pay for a certain amount of stars. So in this case I'm going to be going for 1,000 stars right here. So over here guys, you can see 1,500 stars are sold for 3 Ton, and of course 2,500 stars are sold for 6 Ton. So I wish they have an option for 2,000 stars, so that's what I really wish to go for, but on this case I'll be going for 1,500 stars for the stars. Okay, so right now I have to select the username. So on this case, let me go to my Telegram to get my username right here. So over here, if you want to get your username, just come over here to your you when you click over here on these 3 dots, so you have to select, or you select my profile. So once you select my profile, you're gonna see this is your username right here, Crypto Smoke. So I have to click on it, I have to then copy it, then I will head back to the website and I have to input my username here real quick. Okay, so over here I have to choose the amount that I want to buy, which is 1,500 stars like this. Okay, 1,500 stars. So I have to then go ahead to click on buy 1,500 stars. Okay, so over here you can see buy Telegram star. Do you want to buy 1,500 Telegram stars for Smoggy? Yes, Smoggy will receive this message like this. So I have to click on buy for Smoggy. Okay, you can see the transaction is being processed, and right here I have to confirm the transaction right here on my Ton Keeper. So right now you know how the conference the transaction are being confirmed. So right now I have to approve it like this, and you can see me now buying Telegram stars using the Ton on my Ton Keeper. Okay, so right now we have to proceed like this. So over here I have to go back to the website, and let me see what I'm kind of having right here. You can see over here the purchase has been made, and let's now see what we're gonna have at the end. Okay, and right now you can see they say stars acquired, you bought 1,500 stars. So right now you can see this is it over here. Let me now go to my Telegram to confirm this right now. So over here on my Telegram like this, I have to of course click right here. Then if you want to be seeing your stars, so you click over here on this 3 dots again, you scroll down, you're going to be seeing settings like this, and right here guys on settings you have to click on stars, and right here you can see it has reflected immediately. So right now when I click on star, you can see that I now have this right here, unknown user sent me 1,500 stars right now. So this is how you acquire stars, and you can gift stars to your friends and all that. And I'm going to be gifting stars to 5 people that are going to be dropping their username right there on the comment section. So if you drop your username, you tell me the reason why you want me to send you these stars, then I'll be sending you some certain amount of stars. So it is so simple as that. So you can see how it is done, and I believe you have learned the process right now. And of course thank you for watching this video till this point, and I believe you have gotten enough value from this video. Let me know what you think on the comment section, and please do me a favor right now by going ahead to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Look below the video you're watching right now. You click over here on this subscription right this to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You click on this bell icon and select all, so that each time we post any new video that's going to be helping you in this crypto space, you are going to be getting notified immediately afterwards. Give us a thumbs up, we really appreciate that, and I will see you guys on my next video that is going to be dropping soon. That's going to be teaching you how you can actually earn crypto from the crypto space for free without having to make any single investment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my future videos that are going to be dropped very soon. Peace out, and of course, do have a lovely day.